In this video, I will provide an overview of the unique consumption-based pricing of MarkLogic Data Hub Service. Data Hub Service is the most cost-effective cloud data hub for agile data integration and secure data sharing with none of the operational burden. Its unified architecture, combined with predictable pricing, results in faster time to market and lower TCO than stitching together your own cloud data hub solution. So let's dive deep into the predictable pricing of Data Hub Service. Data Hub Service offers consumption-based pricing based on cloud credits or MCU. The pricing is predictable when it comes to handling time-varying or unpredictable workloads. MarkLogic understands that while your workloads vary, your budgets don't. Hence, unlike other cloud services, Data Hub Service offers free compute bursting. The service earns compute credits at the provisioned baseline capacity, MCU per hour. The credits are used to handle variable workloads. Any unused credits are accumulated by the service as a rolling balance up to 12 times the provisioned baseline capacity. The rolling balance of unused credit is used by the service to handle excess demand above the baseline capacity at no extra cost. In other words, you get workload-aware auto-scaling for free, a substantial savings. With Data Hub Service, you can provision capacity for average demand and handle unpredictable demand with free bursting for an overall low predictable cost. Let us walk through an illustration of how free bursting works. The graph shows usage of Data Hub Service standard instance over the course of the day. The green line is the provision compute capacity. It is constant at 50 MCU per hour. The red line is the actual compute consumption based on the demand. The blue line is the rollover balance of unused compute credits. At a baseline capacity of 50 MCU per hour, the service can accumulate a maximum of 600 MCUs as unused compute credits. At the start of the day, demand is below the baseline capacity, as shown by the red line. As a result of this underutilization, unused compute credits are accumulated by the service every 5 minutes. The upward slope of the blue line shows this accumulation of unused credits. These credits are utilized when the service adaptively autoscales compute to meet the excess demand above the provisioned baseline capacity. As the day progresses, the demand increases as shown by the upward slope of the red line. Note that the excess demand above the baseline capacity is not throttled by the service. Instead, the service autoscales compute to meet the excess demand by utilizing the unused compute credits. This is free compute bursting and is shown by the downward slope of the blue line. Throughout the day, the service autoscales up and down to handle the variable demand. It accumulates unused credits when the demand is below the baseline capacity. It utilizes unused credits when the demand is above the baseline capacity, and it throttles excess demand down to the baseline capacity if the rollover balance of unused credits is zero. This workload-aware, free autoscaling from Data Hub Service ensures that your costs are low and predictable. To maximize free bursting, it is recommended to provision baseline capacity that easily meets the demand of your ongoing workloads. For a given demand profile, a higher baseline capacity service will accumulate more unused credits than a smaller baseline capacity service. As a result, a higher baseline capacity service will automatically handle peak demand for a longer duration than a smaller baseline capacity service at no additional cost. You can calibrate the baseline capacity at any time. The service resets the unused credits each time the baseline capacity is adjusted. There is also an option to buy compute credits on demand without changing the baseline capacity. With this option, you can buy hourly credits at the baseline capacity rate and accumulate unused compute credits up to 24 times the baseline capacity. Buying hourly credits is useful when the service is throttling excess demand down to the baseline capacity because the rollover balance of unused credits is zero. By buying credits on demand, the service will start to accumulate credits bought as unused credits and will adaptively autoscale compute to meet the excess demand. You can access compute consumption graph of your service in the Data Hub Service portal. It helps you monitor utilization of free bursting. This concludes overview of the unique consumption-based pricing of Data Hub Service. To summarize, Data Hub Service delivers agile data integration for multiple use cases at a low predictable cost. To learn more, register for a demo of Data Hub Service.